The following video shows how to establish a steep slope reference using the GL422N laser in PlaneLok mode. PlaneLok works in manual mode and is a quick and accurate method to establish a steep slope reference using elevation hubs. Using the laser tilting base makes the setup easier. Place the tripod with the attached GL422N at the bottom hub with the y-axis pointing to the top elevation hub. Check the beam elevation close to the GL422N. Press and release the manual button to change the GL422N into manual mode. Place the receiver at the top elevation hub without changing the position at the grade rod. Tilt the GL422N using the laser tilting base until the receiver at the top elevation hub catches the laser beam. Press and release the M menu button to enter the menu. Select PlaneLok with the down arrow button and press the E Enter button. Press the E button again to start PlaneLok at the y-axis. The laser adjusts and locks the beam at the on-grade position on the receiver.